Hey guys, so this is Peony. She is going to help us look at some birds we have for sale today. We pretty much are selling out of everything. We have been breeding and raising poultry for years and years, and we've just decided it's time. So we're going to get rid of everything. There's lots of good stuff. There's basic stuff. There's fancy stuff. There's breeder stuff. There's show stuff. There's ducks and turkeys and chickens and bantams and large fowl and just everything you could imagine we probably got here. So here's some Orpington hens. I got chocolates, mottled. She's like a mottled chocolate. We got ducks, all kinds of ducks. We have some Summers and some young Orpingtons and more ducks, big fat ducks, chocolate Orpington, another nice bird here, nice hen. We got some ducks, and we got a big old, I like to call it a herd, big old herd of ducks over here. We have Indian runners, we have khaki Campbells, we have whatever that thing is. Ducks and ducks and ducks and ducks. And turkeys, we have some turkeys. Looks like there's some Royal Palms. They're just turkeys, they're not really probably show quality or whatnot, but they're turkeys and they lay eggs and they're young. They just started laying eggs probably this past late summer. This is a young looking bird here. There's the guineas. There's a nice well summer hen there. Some more of the turkeys. There's some bantam barred rocks out there in the field. We got lots of those. It's a nice rooster. What else do we got, Peony? Should we go see? Let's go see. Come on. Here's another view of the ducks. If you see something you want, come and get it. They're here. They're for sale. Everything's got to go. Nice ducks. Some more birds. Some more ducks. There are lots of chickens too. I know you probably don't see many in the videos, but they're around here. Got leghorns. I've got New Hampshire Reds. I've got blue egg layers, green egg layers, brown egg layers. I've got some white rock showbirds and a whole bunch of more. Some nice turkeys and chickens, and they're just everywhere. We've kind of just let everything out and let it go do its thing, and got some good roosters back there. Young birds hiding so they don't get beat up. That's pretty typical. So, if you want to come out and purchase some poultry, get a hold of me. There's all kinds of stuff. There's more. I haven't even been on the other side of the property yet. Alright, that's it. I look forward to hearing from you. Come on out and get some poultry. Message me. I'll get back with you. I do check my message requests. So if you send me one and we're not friends, I will check it out. Alright, bye.